Random drones are flying all over New Jersey, and the public is collectively losing their minds.
This is over my house right now. What is that?
What sci-fi film did we just land in? Mysterious drones are invading the skies over New Jersey, and no one seems to know where they're coming from or what they're doing. Since mid-November, reports of strange drone activity have been pouring in, starting near the Raritan River and spreading to other parts of the state, including the coastline. And these aren't just random flybys. The drones have been spotted hovering near sensitive areas, like the Picatinny Arsenal, a high-security military facility, and even Donald Trump's golf course in Bedminster. Yes, that Donald Trump.
Local law enforcement, FBI, is conducting an investigation and looking into this. Initial assessments are that these are drones and potentially small airplanes. It could be a number of things that people are seeing and reporting.
It doesn't stop there. The drama is spilling over into neighboring states. In New York, drones were spotted over the Bronx, and just days ago, suspicious drone activity forced a temporary shutdown of runways at Stewart Airfield. Connecticut's not immune either. Towns like Groton and New London deploying drone detection systems after similar sightings sent everyone into a panic. What's going on in the skies of the Northeast? The government's response? Confusion. White House National Security spokesman John Kirby tried to calm things down, saying that some sightings might just be regular aircraft mistaken for drones.
Many of the reported sightings are actually manned aircraft that are being operated lawfully.
But Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas admitted that, yes, some of these are definitely drones.
Some of those drone sightings are in fact drones.
The reported drone sightings
They cracked the case.
a week before.
Are they foreign? A national threat? He insists there's no evidence of that yet. Meanwhile, New Jersey Senator Cory Booker isn't buying the vague answers. He's demanding transparency, saying the American people deserve to know what's flying over their heads. And he's not wrong.
I'm concerned. I issued a letter to ask for more information, and I think there should be a lot more transparency about that. I've been a little frustrated. There hasn't been enough transparency, letting people know what's happening. It's allowing a lot of potentially misinformation to spread, or at least fear. We should know what's going on over our skies, and I've asked for a lot more information.
Locals are already speculating wildly about what's going on. Spy tech, rogue operators, a secret government project? The theories are endless, and the lack of solid info is only fueling the fire. So far, there's no indication that these drones pose a threat to public safety or national security. But let's be real, the whole thing is creepy. Residents are being told to report any suspicious activity, but with no clear explanation in sight, the skies over New Jersey are feeling more like a sci-fi movie every day. What are these drones doing? Who's controlling them? And why are they popping up near places they absolutely shouldn't be? For now, the mystery continues. If you're in New Jersey and you see something strange flying overhead, you're not alone, and you might just be part of the next big chapter in this bizarre aerial saga. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over.